Okay, good morning, second PUC students. Today we are going to the next model of shortest distance. So 15th problem, listen carefully. This is second type of shortest distance. The shortest distance are two types. First one is vector equations and second one is Cartesian equations. Both formulas are different. So 15th problem, find the shortest distance between the lines x plus 1 by 7 equal to y plus 1 by minus 6, that is equal to z plus 1 by 1. So this is the first equation is reduced into the general form. That is the general form of Cartesian equation of a line x minus x1. So here this is x plus 1. X plus 1 is converted into x minus of minus 1 by 7 is equal to y minus of minus 1 by minus 6, that is equal to z minus of minus 1 by 1. Z minus of minus 1 by 1. Here x1, y1, z1. What is the general equation of a line? X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1. So here x1, y1, z1 are minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So a1, b1, c1. a1, b1, c1 are 7, minus 6, minus 1. This is the equation number 1. The second line equation, x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to z minus 7 by 1. Here also x2, y2, z2 is equal to 3, 5, 7. A2, B2, C2. A2, B2, C2, 1, minus 2, 1. Okay. So, next, what is the formula? First formula. What is the formula? The distance, the formula d is equal to the shortest distance. The shortest distance between the lines. What is the formula? Determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 by square root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square bcca ab a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. This is the formula. So first we have to find out determinant. First one. Okay, clear? Determinant of x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 is equal to determinant of, what is x2? This is x2, y2, z2, x1, y1, z1, x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 means 3. Directly x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1 and 4. 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 5 minus of minus 1, 6. 7 minus of minus plus 1, 8. 7 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Next A1 is equal to 7. minus 6 1. Next a2 b2 c2 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 1. Procedure plus minus plus, so that is equal to 4 into, okay, 4 into a corresponding column and corresponding row. Minus 6 into 1 minus 6, minus 2 into minus of minus 2 plus 2, minus 6 into column and row, 7 into 1 7 minus 1 plus 8 into the column row, 7 into minus 2 minus 14, 7 into minus 2 minus 14, minus of minus plus 6. So that is equal to minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, minus 4 into 4 minus 16, 7 minus 1 6, 6 into minus 2 minus 36, plus minus 14, minus 14 plus 6 is equal to minus 8, minus 8 into 8 minus 64, that is equal 64 90, 36 in 64, minus 64 minus 100 1 minus 116, minus 116. So next one, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square plus b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus ab bc ca, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square. Value, next value. So square root of a1 into b2. What is a1? a1 into b2, a1 into b2, 7 into minus 2 minus 14 minus a2 b1, a2 is equal to 1, a2 b1 is equal to 6, 1 into minus 6 minus 6, minus of minus 6 plus 6 whole square plus b1 c2, b1 is equal to minus 6, so c2 is equal to 1, minus 6 into 1 minus 6. Next b2 c1, b2 is equal to minus 2, c1 equal to 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus all values is there, substitute only simply. So c1 a2, c1 no 1 no, a2 1 no, 1 into 1 1. Next c2 a1, c2 is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 7, c2 a1 7 minus 7 whole square. So that is equal to minus 14 plus 6 equal to minus 8, minus 8 whole square is equal to 64. So minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, minus 4 whole square is equal to 16 plus 1 minus 7 minus 6, minus 6 whole square is equal to 36. So this is also root 116, root 116. Distance, the shortest distance, the shortest distance, the shortest distance between 1 and 2. What is the formula? D is equal to modulus of, this is the formula, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z value minus 116 by, so root of b1 c2 this value root 116, so that is equal modulus of negative is equal to positive, 116 by root 116, that is equal to root 116. So this is the second type of shortest distance, okay, clear? So next problem, example 1. So this is also shortest distance between the parallel lines, okay, this is also Example 12. Example 12. Find the distance between the lines. Find the distance L1 and L2. What are the equations? R bar is equal to given lines. R bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into I plus 2j minus 4k lambda into 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Here A1 bar is equal to, we comparing between parallel lines, okay. Here A bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k. This is not B1, B bar, because two lines are parallel. So R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda, A1 bar plus lambda B bar. R bar is equal to A2 bar plus lambda B bar. These two lines are parallel because this is A1, A2, these points are different, so these vectors are same. These vectors same means the two vectors are parallel. So here B bar is equal to 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Second one, R bar is equal to 3I plus 3j minus 5k plus mu into 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Here these two are equal, parallel. 2I plus 3j plus 6k. The second equation also 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Here what is A2 bar? A2 bar is equal to 3I plus 3j minus 5k. Same. B bar also same, 2I plus 3j plus 6k. B bar cross A2 minus A1. So next one, first point number 1, A2 minus A1 bar. A2 is equal to 3I plus 3j minus 5k minus A2 bar minus A1 bar. I plus 2j minus 4k. So 3 minus I, 3I minus I, 2I, 3j minus 2j plus j minus 5k minus of minus plus 4k, so minus k. Okay, next one, mod B bar. Mod B bar. Mod B bar is equal to root of, what is B bar? This is the B bar. Mod B bar is equal to mod of B bar 2I plus 3j plus 6k is equal to square root of 2I 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. 6 square 36, 49. 49 means that is equal to 7. Next, B bar cross A2 bar minus A1 bar. B bar cross A2 bar minus A1 bar. B bar cross A2 bar minus A1 bar. First, cross product means B bar is a vector, A2 minus A1 bar is a vector. This two vector cross product is noted by determined form I, J, K. So B bar, what is B bar? This is 2, 3, 6. A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, this is A2 minus A1. 2, 1, minus 1, plus, minus, plus. 2, 1, minus 1. So that is equal to I into the column and row. 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 6 into 1. So minus j into e column e row. 2 into minus 1 minus 6 into 2 plus k is equal to the column and row. 2 into 1 minus 2 into 3, 2 into 1 minus 2 into 3. So that is equal to b bar cross a2 bar minus a1 bar is equal to I into 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 6 plus minus j bar into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 12 plus k into 2 into 1 2 minus 6. So that is equal to minus 9i minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 means plus 14j, 2 minus 6 minus 4k. So modulus of b bar cross a2 minus a1 bar is equal to, this is root of minus 9 whole square plus 14 whole square plus minus 4 whole square, that is equal to root of 9 into 9 81 plus 14 into 14 160 196 plus 16. So 196 81 16 6 6 12 13 8 9 10 19 293. So that is equal to root of 293. Root of 993 is equal to 17 sir. Root of 293. Okay. So shortest distance between two lines, D is equal formula modulus of b bar cross a2 bar minus a1 bar by mod b bar total. So that is equal to mod b bar cross a2 minus a1 is equal to 293 by mod b bar. Mod b bar value is equal to 7. This is the distance. So line concept completed. Tomorrow I will continue the plane, the equation of a plane. Okay, clear? clear.